Hey everybody, welcome back to another Funimate tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do something that has been highly requested. Now this tutorial can really help you expand your Funimate account and grow your following, as well as expand your Funimate to other social media such as Instagram, where you can share your clip packs, which is what I'll be showing you today. So I'll be showing you how to make clip packs, and I'll give you an example of what that is. So I'll just go to @clippacks on Instagram, on Funimate. And here is an example. So as you can see, there's little QR codes which you can copy yourself and use in your edits. Now I'll be teaching you how to make that yourself. So the first thing you want to do is tap this little blue plus button and tap edit a new video. And the first thing you want to do is import any clip, it doesn't really matter, and just drag it away from the scene entirely. So we're going to be using Emma Chamberlain again, and we're just going to start making the clip pack. So the first thing you want to do is tap image or video, and I'm going to be using this image. And for my clip pack, I'm going to be making a shake. So the first thing we'll be doing is going into the animate section, and I'm just going to make my shake now, which actually this is a good opportunity for you to see how I make this type of shake. So I'm just going in small increments and making them bigger progressively. Just like that, and just putting motion blur on, it looks like this. And let's just center it, just like that. And now, the next thing we will be doing to save this as a clip pack, the first thing you want to do is save it as an element. So I'm going to tap save as element. And then the next thing I'm going to do is just hit save. So I'm going to do shake, and we're going to hit save. And that should save as an element on my profile. I don't want others to use it just yet. Okay, so we're going to do the second half of the shake, which is going to be with this image. And we're just going to go and start off over here. Just like that. I think I made it go the wrong way. Did I? I think it still looks good regardless. Okay, so now we have two shakes. So we're just going to click save as element, and we're going to make the tag shake again. And I'm just going to save it now. Okay, awesome. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to make other clips. So we just have these two. And let's make another transition, so another clip that I can use. Let's do this image. And then I'm just going to do this. Mirror. Motion blur. Position. And I'm going to be doing a mirror slide transition. Now this is a good opportunity for everybody watching this to have a look at how I make my transitions. So I'm just going to put this over here. So that's going to be the length of my transition. I'm going to be using this keyframe. Maybe that's a bit too long. Let's make it like that. Okay. So we want this blue line to be in the middle of this white dot, so it's straight in the center. Then we're going to import our second image. and make it this. And we're going to add the effect mix to mirror. Sorry, this needs to go into a group, my bad. So we're going to put this in a group. Just this one. And then we're going to make it slide in the opposite direction. Just like this. I'm gonna add mirror and motion blur. And now we're going to add the effect mix. And this is what we should get. Just like that. And now to save this, we're just going to repeat that same process. Save as element. So we're just gonna do slide so we know what it is when we come to it. And then for this one, we're going to do mirror slide. Save as element and mirror slide. Okay. So now that that's just saving, we now have some clips. So we have our own little clip pack, and you can make as many transitions as you want. And I hope you've also learned in this video how to make some shakes that I make and some slides. So we're actually not finished yet, so I'm just going to save this privately. And in my private projects, I'm just going to go and tap here and go to my elements in this section. And then we're going to click create QR code. So for the description, we're going to do shake part 1. And then we're going to go at edit so it doesn't get stolen. And then we can do shake part 2 for this part. Shake part 2 at edit. And then we can do the same thing here, except we'll do mirror slide, mirror, mirror slide part 1 at edit. And by the way, you can use any of these at your will. You can just pause the YouTube video and you can use them, and I'll show them at the end as well. Mirror slide part 2 at edit. Okay. So we now have our QR codes. Now the next thing we're going to do is go back into our edit. So if you want to post this on your Funimate so you can share it with other people, so you can put a little preview of what you've made and then post it to Funimate so they can copy your QR codes and use it in their own edits, this is what you want to do next. So personally, I'm just going to add this white square over my edit so that I can fade it into white, and then I can put the images of my QR codes on top of the white so it's more clean. So let me just do this. Okay. Let's zoom this in all the way. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to import the images. So we have shake part 1, sorry, they're videos. And at the end, we're just going to crop it. And by the way, so now people can use this themselves, so they can screenshot the QR codes or save your Funimate to their camera roll, and they can use this as well, which is really helpful. Shake part 2. And then we can do the mirror slide. So we're just going to duplicate and replace it with mirror slide part 1. And then we're going to do mirror slide part 2. So we now have an official Clippack on Funimate. And then at the top, you can add some text maybe that indicates that this is in fact your Clippack. And I'm going to make this first once, like, okay, there we go. So at the top, I'm just going to say Clippack QR codes. I'm going to change the font, something else. And you can just put this on the top. And now your followers will be able to use your QR codes in their edit. And you have now made an official Clippack on Funimate. You can post this on any other social media, and you can try to expand your social media following using Clippacks, and other people can be able to share your creativity on different platforms. And I think it's a really good way to expand your following and get more people to follow you and like your edits and be able to see how creative you are with your editing. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today. I think it's really useful. I've also showed you how to make some transitions, which is a bonus. Here are the QR codes. I surely will insert the video at the end so you can see and screenshot them if you want to use these in your personal edits. Anyways, I hope you've enjoyed this today. Be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed it, and leave any comments down below or suggestions that you think I should do for the next few tutorials. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. See you.